Hi, my name's Chris. I'm the Rustic Caveman. Welcome to the mill. We got a short video that's coming in just a minute. Anyway, short video that's coming. It's going to show a whole lot of mistakes, but the key thing to keep in mind is that thing fired up and we made some cuts. We got some things to fix. We got some things to change, but I got a mill. That's off. It says off there.
Yeah, and then your top one comes this way.
Okay. Back here and look down the pole and look, it looks pretty good.
I thought it did.
There's a bolt missing over there.